National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, east central Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin until 11:15 a.m. At 10:31 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Green Lake, or 6 miles west of Ripon, and moving east at 50 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Rosendale around 10:50 a.m., north Fond du Lac around 11 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include West Rosendale, Pipe, Johnsburg, and Marytown. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, and away from windows.